everybody, it's Michele Q Permanent Makeup. Let's talk about how to have perfect eyebrows today. Perfect eyebrows are all about location and shape. First, let's talk about location. What you need to do is measure straight up from the base of the nose to find the spot where your eyebrow should start. The next thing you want to do is measure from the base of the nose to the center of the eye, and that's where you'll find the arch. Lastly, you'll measure from the base of the nose to the outside corner of the eye to find where the tail or where your eyebrow should end. This is going to give you a perfect location that will fit your face. Next, let's talk about shape. And when we talk about shape, it's always good versus bad. First, let's talk about the bad shapes. And we've all seen them, shapes that are not natural and not well placed. Fads and trendy shapes can sometimes go into the bad category because they go out of style pretty quickly. And of course, bad eyebrow shapes may need to be corrected later on. Now let's talk about the good. Now good eyebrow shapes, they enhance your natural beauty. They are classic shapes and sizes that never go out of style. And good eyebrow shapes fit your face. They go with your personality and they give your face balance. If you want to have perfect eyebrows all day, every day, and just not worry about it, why don't you give me a call and schedule an appointment?